we pass this stop sign, we are putting up to our third stop, that is Thunder Trek. We'll hop off here to check out our RC bowls, boulders, our greenhouse story, and the laboratories, and Caribou Cafe, and Thunder Air Ride. Please wait until you've come to complete full stop, and on the exit on your right and right hand side also.
Today we're so excited to be sharing the Toronto Zoo's new greenhouse. It is absolutely phenomenal. It lets you see plants from around the world. Seasonally, we're going to have special features. You can see the orchid wall behind me. That's not even at its peak. It's at its best in the winter. And what it's doing is connecting people to the natural world in a different way. People love our animals, but the plants, they're such a critical part of our biodiversity story.
We're here today at the Toronto Zoo as they open their new greenhouse. The Toronto Zoo is an agency of the City of Toronto. We are always so happy to provide them with our support, but also today to thank the federal government and our wonderful MP, Gary Anandasangri, for his contribution to the project. This project was part of recognizing the need for greater accessibility of residents and to ensure that all the walkways are fully accessible so we can bring in all kinds of people to see the wonderful plants that are here from around the world, and then also will be moved into the habitats for the animals to enjoy.
So we're so grateful to our friends in the federal government and the City of Toronto. This project is around $1 million, and it came through the Community Revitalization Fund and the Tourism Relief Fund. And what that was about was helping us recover from COVID, creating a fully accessible space, and improving our sustainability. So putting in new infrastructure to reduce our carbon impact. Doing all those things while adding a wonderful new attraction for our guests and having the ability to produce even more plants to feed our animals is just a win-win-win for our organization and our local community.
Here at the Toronto Zoo, we grow a lot of plants within our greenhouses, and there are many purposes. One of them is conservation, education, and also plants for the animals here. Like the plants behind me, we use these plants as browse materials for our animals on site. And then also we have a lot of conservation plants that we grow here. Education is a big piece for us within the greenhouses. We try to educate the younger kids and the older people as they come through the reason behind the plants and how plants play an important role within our lives and also lives of our animals.
Here at the Toronto Zoo, we've opened our newly renovated greenhouse. Within this space, there's a host of different tropical plants that guests can immerse themselves in, take pictures with. There's scents, there's smells, just a tropical oasis of plant material to engage in here at the Toronto Zoo. The team tries to diversify the collection to the best of their ability, importing plants from around the world, including seed propagation and cuttings There's a lot of interactive space here where guests can engage in and really enjoy some of the practices that the horticulture team practices on a daily basis.
You're going to tell us when?
So beside me here is the exceptional Toronto Zoo horticulture team that provides all the maintenance work here on site with regards to Toronto Zoo's plant collection. So they maintain everything from turf to trees, animal exhibits inside and outside, guest-facing areas. This team works tirelessly to complete their job on a daily basis to show the best site possible for our Toronto Zoo guests. Thank you, team.
So thank you to each and every one of you for your part in this. Everything you do here on site, everything looks amazing. And I was talking to Neil earlier saying how excited I am to see what you do this summer out on site and how it relates to in here in the 50th. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to the next couple of weeks. See you later.
Okay, everybody have a drink on me. It's at the bar. It's up there. Everybody line up.
I have to go get my hair pulled. I go get a haircut.
So in behind me here we have part of our orchid collection that the Toronto Zoo horticulture staff is extremely proud of, diversifying some of the unique characteristic orchids from around the world, demonstrating their blooms and their scents to the many millions of guests that arrive here on site on an annual basis. Right here we have one of our Amorphophallus plants that is just coming into bloom. In the next couple of days we're going to have a full bloom on this plant species. The bloom will only last for a few days, but within that period it will demonstrate strong odor that is reminiscent of decaying flesh, and within that it will attract its pollinator. Here is one of our new introductions to the Toronto Zoo greenhouse is our living wall. We have two living walls that measure 25 feet long by 8 feet wide. Within this space, it's a fully irrigated tropical oasis, providing an opportunity for lush plant material and great photo opportunities throughout your visit here at the Toronto Zoo. Part of the Toronto Zoo's orchid collection. So behind me you'll find many of your common Phalaenopsis as well as some of the unique specimens that the Toronto Zoo holds. Great opportunity to just see up close and personal some of the floral elements of the orchids that we definitely embrace here at the Toronto Zoo. So please come by, take a look, get your picture taken with the orchid wall, and enjoy the feel of the tropics.
So the best part about this greenhouse, it is open 365 days a year. When you're out at the zoo, don't miss it. It's just by the Tundra Trek, and you can take that trip around the world. You can see our succulents and cacti. You can see the browse plants. You can see some indigenous plants that we're propagating. All of them here for you. You're going to love it.